Hello, Merry Christmas. I'm making this video on Christmas. I wanted to get this out there before my week 3 at Flatiron begins. So I wanted to give some background on it, kind of do a couple of videos explaining it because that really influenced my decision to go there, watching a bunch of other people on YouTube talk about their experience. So I am doing the software immersive in-person course. It is about 4 months long, so I started in December and I'll end at the end of March. How our schedule works, it's from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then the first week of a module, we learn about it, we just take notes. The second week there's a test, and the third week we actually build out a project. So we had Christmas off, which I also really appreciated. They are really about balance and your mental health, which is something that a lot of other boot camps don't prioritize. So that was a big selling point for me in choosing what school to go to. And the pre-work was very, very in-depth. So how their application process works is that you do a bunch of prep work. It's about 180 hours if you really take your time to learn it, and if you're a beginner like I was. So I did the prep work, took about 180 hours, and then I did a technical interview where I showed one of the problems that I worked out previously, walked them through each line of code, and then they had me live code one problem. Got into the school, and then after that they allow you to begin their pre-work, which is about another 180 to 200 hours. And I was taking my time, asking lots of questions and really trying to understand the material. And there's an ask a question button on their page where you can chat with one of their coaches slash like tutors, and they will help you with the problem. So I used that a ton and got to know a lot of the coaches and got a lot of really great help because it is very challenging. And the first week I was able to, I feel like I was really ahead because of all the work I did. And not everyone had completed the same amount. To get into the course, you only need to do about 80% of the prep work and 80% of the pre-work, but I decided to do all 100%. So I was really, really well prepared for the first week and a half. And then I passed the first test. I studied really hard for it. So the amount of hours I've been putting in personally, I usually stay till about 7 or 8 at night, and I like to get there around 8 or 8:30 in the morning. I like to get settled, I like to do my work. There's a lot of labs and practice, but however you learn is important. So I like to just put in extra hours and really learn the material. So for me, I've been putting in about another 20 hours a week of studying. So about like 2 hours each day, Monday through Friday, and then about 5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. But you get so close to the people in your cohort that it's really fun. I look forward to going in every day. I look forward to working on the weekends. There's 5 or 6 of us that will go in and work together, and it's really fun. Our teacher is really great, and because we're the third cohort out of San Francisco, our cohort's really small. There's 10 of us, and there's about 2 teachers. So it's really nice if you need that help, they're there for you.